Right now on the daily, on the Gaussian channel, we essentially fell below this middle line here. The 10 EMA is helping us decide whether we're going bullish or bearish, and essentially this will help us make better, more sound decisions. Now, this price fell slowly down to this level and it broke through, tried to stay up, broke through, and was resisted by the Gaussian channel in this zone. Okay, now we could essentially pull back up to this level, but I would say that it's likely that if we break this zone, we retest here, and then we pull back down to the $300 billion for the total crypto market cap, which is essentially down here at this level where we already had a double bottom. Now that looks absolutely juicy. I would love to know what your thoughts are. Please let me know in this video what you think, and make sure to stay right to the very end and watch this entire video so that you can see where I predict this crypto market cap to potentially go in the next bull run from where we are. It's insane. How's it going? What's up? What's happening there? Blessed, beautiful souls. Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here with me. I'm Kiara DeCass, and I am so excited that I am getting the opportunity to do more and more content for you guys every single day and learning more about it while I do it too. It's absolutely phenomenal. So I hope you guys also end up doing your own research and finding out certain things about crypto. I'm absolutely loving the space, so I hope you guys are too. I'm learning a lot from all of you, so thank you for commenting on the comments section down below. I really appreciate that. Keep doing that. I would love to hear what you guys think about crypto. Now, guys, today in this video, I am going to be speaking about the total 3 market cap. And in this video, I'm just going to be focusing on that. So let us go and have a look at the chart and see what is going on here and where do we see this chart actually going now in the near term future. Because right now it's looking a little bit shady, and I must say that does look like we're in a bit of a free fall, which would mean that altcoins would absolutely be obliterated. So, wow. Anyways, let us go and have a look and let us go and see what you think. I would love to know what my audience thinks. But in today's video, we are going to just be speaking about this. So we're going to start off on the monthly time frame. It's the total crypto 3 market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And basically, you can see here I've got out the Gaussian channel for us. Buy crypto, sell USD down here. Sell crypto, buy USDT up here. Now, isn't that very interesting? Now, just on the monthly time frame, you can see that we have been rejected off the top band here, which means that we'll need to kind of meet the bottom band, the middle band here first. And I'm saying to you, I would say another 2 to 3 more months gives us a candle here and another candle here. So another 2 to 3 more months. And I'm going to say to you that we could just come down a little bit slightly here to about $300 billion on this market cap value. And that would pull the RSI down even further, which would give us an incredibly exceptional entry back into these altcoins, which essentially would make your bags pump like crazy. Some altcoins will pump more than others, of course, but all of them, not all of them, a lot of them will essentially pump, and they'll just pump at different times. So this is the time where you actually want to be very much wide awake in this market. So don't go to sleep. Don't miss out on this massive, gigantic opportunity. Now, in order for the market on the monthly to pull down from where it is to that point, would probably give it about a 15% drawdown in the crypto market cap, which would suck out about $50 billion out of the market cap, which is about 1/7 of the entire market cap, which is very interesting, right? Do I think it's going to go below that? I don't believe so. And now I just want to go and show you a simple fractal here, because essentially we were on top of it, and then we broke down from the top and we just hit the bottom. Then we floated off the bottom here. Let us get this brush. We floated off the bottom here, and then we started to make our way like absolute crazy up on this market. Now that was phenomenal. So the blue line that you see there is the 10 EMA, okay? So you can see how very much closely it actually rides this 10 EMA. And when it comes and closes the candle below it, which was essentially this candle, which was telling us to get the fuck out of the market, that's when we did. And then when this candle closed, we should have known. This one, we should have known, get out. And then all of a sudden, boom, drop. Get out of your crypto, get into USDT, guys. So now you know for the next cycle what to look out for when you actually see these signals in the market that just tell you to get out. Like, just take your profits and walk away, right? So now what I see here is that we've come off the top. We've kind of skimmed this level. We tried to bounce back up to the top zone, break out. We couldn't. There was a lot of resistance all in this matter. Underneath the 10 EMA on top of it, because you can see the 10 EMA actually closed with us right there, and has been pushing us down. So for me, this could push us down a little bit to this zone, but I do believe we won't break this low here on this purple box necessarily. I do believe that we could actually pull strongly up from there. So we could see another 15% down in altcoins, but essentially, guys, I would say that in the next cycle, if we did anything remotely like what this did, that would give us a potential of 2,800% gains from where we are currently. And what does that look like for us from that purple box, okay, from the 300 trillion? So that would be a 3,000% gain. Okay, there you go. We said a 3,800% gain. Okay, so there you go. 3,800%. So that would give us a total of an $11.723 trillion market cap. Perhaps that could get on the next crazy, ludicrous rally in altcoins, guys. Now, I'm going to say to you that that's insane, okay? That is all institutions. The moment the Ripple case gets the thumbs up, you will see altcoins pump into this space, okay? Make no mistake, because what XRP is a lot of other coins will base it on their coins, and that will give us a very, very insane gain. If you think if the altcoin crypto market cap could hit 11.7 trillion, let me know down in the comments below. Do you think it could do that in the next bull cycle? What would that give us as a Bitcoin price? I think Bitcoin could probably hit a $5 to $6 trillion price in the next cycle, which would be insane for us, guys. Absolute minimum 5 to 6 trillion. Okay. Now, guys, I just want to say to you something. We get in at this level. Your level of risk is kind of under the purple, under that box, and you're going to make absolute, just to the top of there is 263% gains in your altcoins. To get back up to that $11 trillion level, that will give us an absolutely insane gain of a 493 to 1 ratio, basically. That's a 500x to 1 on your average crypto. Wow. Okay. Thanks for being here, guys, on the channel. Please let me know what your thoughts are. I would love to know what you think, if it could do that. But for me, really, I could see right now on the daily, we're just kind of floating. So let us just see, because the daily has brought us under the Gaussian channel as well. We're now being resisted by the Gaussian channel. And when that resistance comes in, we do float down. Okay. So like I said to you, on the higher time frame, you can see it quite clearly. If we break this zone right here, which has been support there, we've already broken the upward channel here. Now it's time for us to retest. So maybe there's a bit of a buying opportunity coming up soon with the RSI resetting. And we could hit the top here and then pull back down to this kind of zone down here, the 300 level up here. So guys, that is a very, very interesting chart to consider. So let me know what your thoughts are, but essentially we would want to see this get back up above the $385 trillion level in order for this to look anything more bullish on the shorter daily time frames. Thanks for watching, you blessed, beautiful souls. We'll see you on the next one.